Welcome to What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy. I am Miss Hardy, the one half of the Hardy Arugio dynamic duo in English 1 honors. I just want to share with you some of the things that we're doing this week. This What's the Buzz can also be found in a PDF form on our website under Buzz Notes. And this video can be found on our YouTube page and on our Twitter page. So I just wanted to remind you that we cannot wait to see everybody and to shake hands and hug on Meet the Teacher Night at 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday, September the 11th at Middle Creek High School. We only have 10 minutes, so I'm hoping that this video and other videos that I'll be uploading to Twitter and to YouTube will help give you information so that you're not overwhelmed and you feel like you have everything that you need. Don't forget, every Friday we have vocabulary quizzes. And just a reminder, on our Google Classroom page for each class, they have a list of the SAT, ACT words and their Greek and Latin root words, and a vocabulary chart that will help them study their Greek and Latin root words or their SAT, ACT words. Please make sure that they're checking Google Classroom every night and working on their Unit 1 HyperDoc that is due September the 17th. This will go over for them. They'll be watching a PowerPoint and taking guided notes and doing some classwork around vocabulary and context, inference, main idea, and supporting details. These are all foundational skills that they're going to need moving forward for the semester. As we are moving in the direction of having more children ready and prepared to handle and to be successful in honors classrooms, regardless of the level, in this blended environment that we're in now, it is very important that we keep up outside of class with the things that are going on in class. We will not have time in class to do this. I'm not going to take a full class day to send everybody to the media center, but we will have, they're running activity buses starting next week after school. We'll have Wonder Wednesday starting next Wednesday on September the 12th. So they can come in during their lunch, they can come in after school on that day and work on it. And anytime we have downtime in class, I encourage them. There is no such thing as downtime. Study for your vocabulary quiz. You can use a laptop. We have a tablet. You can use your phone. Get on that HyperDoc and get to work. I've already had several students who've come by and say, Ms. Hardy, I need help with this, I need help with that. Can I come by? And our answer is always yes, come by, because I'd much rather you come by previous to the 17th than when I ask for my work on the 17th and I don't have it. Okay? So by all means, let's do this. And I'm hoping that every Sunday night I'll do a video, put it on our Twitter page and our YouTube page, in addition to uploading the What's the Buzz on our website. So this week, we have fully entered our Unit 1 Home and Family. We did a gallery walk where we talked about what does it mean to be a family, what are the different definitions of family. We watched some clips from films, television programs, we listened to some music, and we talked about that, what family is. And they're very complimentary of y'all, I must add. We read Thank You, Ma'am today. Tomorrow we'll continue that. We're going to do some mini lessons on main idea and theme. We're going to do a writing prompt about Thank You, Ma'am. And on Friday, after our vocabulary quiz, we're going to get in depth into the writing process and the TIDE acronym on how to write a sound, firm paragraph. So we're cooking with gas this week in the Hive, but we just want to encourage you to encourage our babies to keep buzzing in whatever they do. Vocabulary quizzes every Friday. That HyperDoc is due on the 17th. Don't wait. Do not hesitate. Call, email, ask. The time to ask questions is not on the 18th. Because remember, late work is a non-existent factor. Have a wonderful Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. I can't wait to see everybody next week at the Meet the Teacher. We only have 10 minutes, but it will be a wonderful 10 minutes. Have a wonderful night. Keep buzzing.